we'll guide you through how to create a Wix website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. Once you're in, look for the Create New Site button on your dashboard and click it. You'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create, whether it's for business, a portfolio, or something else. Pick the option that best matches your needs. Next, Wix will ask if you want to use the Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence, or if you want to use the editor. If you're new to website creation or want a quicker setup, select Wix ADI, which will guide you through a series of questions to customize your site for you. If you're feeling more adventurous or want more control over the design, choose the editor. With the editor, you'll start with a blank slate or a template. Browse through the available templates and choose one that you like. Once you select a template, you can customize it by clicking on elements like text boxes, images, and buttons. Drag and drop to rearrange items or add new sections. Use the toolbar to change fonts, colors, and backgrounds to match your style. Don't forget to use the preview button to see how your site looks on different devices. When you're satisfied with your design, click on Publish in the top right corner to make your site live. Wix will provide you with a free Wix domain, but you can also connect your own custom domain if you have one. Finally, navigate to the settings to configure SEO, set up a blog, or add e-commerce features if needed. Remember, you can always go back and edit your site after it's published. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.